Stop scrolling. Have you ever had blueberries on a burger? I'm at the Flavor Shack trying their blueberry BBQ bacon burger, and this one is wild. Think thick, juicy beef patty, smoky bacon, a glossy layer of sweet blueberry jam, and a river of tangy BBQ sauce dripping down the sides. The cheese is perfectly melted, and those edges are crispy. First bite? Sweet, smoky, tangy, and crazy juicy. My mind is blown. The blueberry jam actually works, balancing the richness. I'm giving this a bold 9 out of 10. Where should I hunt for the next insane burger?